Every failure tells a story written in stress, heat, vibration, and time. But what if we could read that story before the failure ever happens? Introducing FrameD, a modern diagnostic framework for real-world reliability and condition monitoring. It's more than a method, it's a mindset. A crystal-clear view of component failure built on the principle Y equals F of X, where every outcome is a function of its causes. FrameD brings clarity through 6 powerful lenses: function and failure mode, requirements and run conditions, aging mechanisms, maintenance and mitigation gaps, evidence and environmental stressors, detection and decision-making. Each one uncovers a piece of the truth. Together, they reveal the full story of reliability. FrameD unifies decades of proven tools: FMECA, RCA, PF curves, 6W2H, TPM, CBM, into one intelligent system that thinks like a human, guided by experience, enhanced by data. This isn't about replacing people, it's about empowering them. FrameD doesn't replace your expertise, it amplifies it. It bridges the gap between AI and intuition, between theory and the shop floor. AI is the engine, people are the drivers, and FrameD is the roadmap. It's where people and data come together to end firefighting, enable predictive maintenance, and build collaboration through data-based decisions. Because reliability isn't just a collection of tools. It's a system. And FrameD is the glue that holds it all together. FrameD, a holistic reliability intelligence system built to prevent failures, extend life, and empower people. Master Reliability, a division of Fedor House LLC, is the home of FrameD.